Hello and welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be changing the battery in this Audi flip key. Today we're going to need a 2032 battery. This battery is available in most stores, so we'll pop that to one side, we'll get straight into it. So if your key looks like this is how to change the battery. We just flip out the blade key, and then we just need a small screwdriver, and if we go in the end here, we carefully just go in, there's a little indentation, and then just put a little bit of light pressure, lever that up there, which is revealed the back. Get your finger in there and just carefully clip that off. Does feel a little bit firm, but it comes off, and that reveals your battery. Your battery is placed in positive side up and negative side down. So there is a little indentation there. We just carefully go in and just release the battery, and we'll pop that down for a second. Okay, so there's the positive side of your battery, always a smooth side, and the negative side has a slight dome to it. So we'll get the new battery, we'll pick up the key again, and then just carefully go in. Be careful you don't bend these little metal tabs as you're going back in with the battery. Just place it in and carefully slides into place, and there you go, that's the battery in place. And we'll get the back again, clip it in, line it up, and then just put your fingers and thumbs and just snap it into place, and there you go. Just to test it, after you've changed the battery, press the button. You should get a little red LED here, and that's it. Job done on the Audi key. Hope this was helpful for you. Please give us a like and subscribe. Check out our other videos, and we'll see you soon.